Hello, Ashley Leather Designs had a Facebook giveaway and I was the winner, and today I'm going to unbox my prize. Ashley Leather Designs is a crochet designer, and her husband has started making wooden crochet hooks that are absolutely beautiful, and she has also started dyeing yarn that is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm so happy to say that I won her contest on Facebook, and she sent me a skein of yarn and a crochet hook, and I'm so excited to unbox it for y'all today. So let's just go ahead and pop this tape off and see what's in it. Here we go. She sent a couple little cards at the top. Here, I'll just show you. As I open it, she sent some cards. There's a business card with her logo on it. I'll show you that up close. And I'll link her shop below in the description. And then there's like a little card. Oh, she also sent me a pattern, the By the Bay tunic. How beautiful. And such a surprise. I didn't know I was getting a pattern too. Thank you so much, Ashley. Okay, now everything is wrapped in this really pretty blue tissue paper. Ooh, and I can see the yarn. It is, oh, it's so soft. And look at these colors. Blues and whites and yellows. Oh, it is so pretty, and it is so soft. And it smells really good too.
The colorway is called Fun in the Sun. It is 75% fine superwash merino wool and 25% nylon. It is a finger and weight yarn, and it has 462 yards or 100 grams.
I love it, Ashley. You did a great job dyeing this yarn. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, also in here is a pretty teal blue box and the crochet hook. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so pretty. Ooh. It is a USH 5mm crochet hook, and it is absolutely pretty. And I'm so happy. That's a very common hook that I like to use, a common hook size that I like to use. So I should be able to try this out really soon. It is so pretty. It's very lightweight. It feels so nice, and it is so beautiful. Her husband does an amazing job on these crochet hooks. It's so pretty, and I'm so excited to try it out, and I'm so excited to try this yarn out. It's absolutely beautiful, and the hook is so pretty, and it matches. Look at that. How cool. Thank you so much again, Ashley. I'm so happy I won your giveaway. What do you think about this colorway? What do you think I should make with it? I'm so excited. Comment below. I would love to know. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And if you want to, you can hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Until next time,